What if one plant could influence exploration, build vast fortunes, spark wars, shape entire economies, and become both a celebrated medicine and one of the world's leading causes of preventable disease? Scientifically known as Nicotiana tabacum, family Solanaceae, the nightshade family. A related species, Nicotiana rustica, is cultivated in some regions for higher nicotine content. Native to the Americas, used by indigenous peoples for thousands of years, and now cultivated in more than 100 countries. A fast-growing annual, 1 to 3 meters tall, with a thick, upright stem and large, broad, soft, slightly sticky leaves over 1/2 meter long, covered in tiny hairs that produce aromatic oils and nicotine. Clusters of tubular white, pink, cream, or pale red flowers appear near the top of the stem, producing capsules with thousands of tiny brown seeds. Fresh leaves are bright green and water-rich. After curing, they turn yellow, golden brown, or dark brown and develop tobacco's characteristic aroma. Warm climates with long frost-free seasons, abundant sunlight, fertile, well-drained soil. Seedlings are started in protected nurseries before transplanting. Requires moderate watering and nutrient management. Farmers top the plant by removing flowering tops to direct energy into larger leaves. Most varieties are ready for harvest 3 to 5 months after planting. Used for thousands of years in indigenous religious ceremonies, healing practices, and social gatherings, with smoke believed to carry prayers. Today, primarily used in cigarettes, cigars, pipe tobacco, chewing tobacco, and other nicotine products. Nicotine, its primary active compound, acts as a stimulant and natural insecticide and is used in nicotine replacement therapies, patches, gums, lozenges, inhalers. Tobacco is also a key model organism in plant biology research, including engineering for experimental vaccines and therapeutic proteins. Smoking exposes users to thousands of combustion chemicals linked to cancer, heart disease, stroke, and chronic lung disease, so products are heavily regulated. Cultivated for more than 8,000 years, indigenous peoples in the Americas used it in ceremonies, diplomacy, trade, and medicine long before major civilizations rose. European explorers observed its use in the late 15th century and carried seeds back across the Atlantic. By the 17th century, it was one of the world's most valuable crops, with vast plantations in Virginia and the Caribbean fueling colonial expansion and, tragically, the transatlantic slave trade. 19th and 20th century manufacturing advances created mass-produced cigarettes and a global smoking boom, until mid-20th century science established clear disease links, prompting public health campaigns and regulation. Produces nicotine as a natural insecticide. A single mature plant may produce hundreds of thousands of tiny seeds. Belongs to the same botanical family as tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Long used in genetic research due to its fast growth and lab responsiveness. Needs fertile soil, consistent early moisture, and plenty of sunlight. Fields are inspected for pests, flower buds are removed, and proper spacing improves airflow and reduces fungal disease. Harvesting begins when lower leaves turn slightly yellow. Farmers either remove individual leaves over several weeks or harvest the whole plant at once. Curing, air, flue, fire, or sun curing, is a critical stage where moisture evaporates and complex chemical changes develop color, aroma, texture, and flavor, followed by aging, sorting, and grading. Which fascinating plant should we explore next? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning about the remarkable story of the tobacco plant, don't forget to subscribe for more documentaries exploring the incredible plants that have shaped our world.